Presenting a pre-owned 2010 Kia Sedona EX. This four-door van has a six-cylinder, 3.8-liter V6 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Kia has less than 84,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, universal remote, battery saver, roof rails, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seat belt force limiters, stability control, traction control, power windows, rear privacy glass, and window defogger. Call Timbo at 770-554-0300. Thank you for choosing Graham Automotive.